Are you ready? Come on, are you ready? He picked me up. He picked me up, turned me around, placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior. Come on, God will do it again, He'll do it again, He'll do it again, He'll do it again, He'll do it again. Come on, if He did it for me, He can do it for you, amen? Come on, I said if He did it for me, He can do it for you.
You gotta take the moment. There's nothing we can give you. There's nothing Eugene can give you more than to put the seed and to put that word that doesn't return to him void.